Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create the folder structure for our project. So first thing first, we need to create the main project folder. This will be the root directory for all your story files. I recommend using a descriptive name, but you can choose any name that you want. So you are to go to local disk and click on example. Click on this one, but now I'm using this one, so I'll click on this one. Then go to 80 dots, which is this one. So click on it. Then over here, this is where you create your folder name. So click here and click on new, then click on folder. Over here, give your folder a descriptive name. So I'm going to use my story flow, but you can choose any name that you want. So this one will be my story flow. Open it. Inside it, we have subfolders, one for assets, one for the core, one for the shared file, one for uploads. Over here, inside it, create a new folder, call it shared. Then create another folder, call it assets. Then create another folder, call it core. So the core will contain our classes. Then create another folder, call it uploads. So this one will contain our story uploads. Inside the assets, we have a folder for CSS, another folder for images, then another folder for JS, which will contain our JS file. So JS, okay. So over here, just type CMD. Okay, then just type code, then dots. So code space dot to open it in your Visual Studio Code. So this is what we have. So we have assets, core, shared, then upload. So let's create a file. Let's call it index.php. Okay, so now this is what we have. To test and see whether the index.php is working, open up your PHP tag. And over here, just type echo. To print something out in PHP, type echo. Then inside, put in a string. Hello world. Then semicolon. So now let's test and see whether our code is working fine. So over here, search for example, which is this one. So click on it. Then start the Apache, this one. So start it. Click on the first one, action. Click on start. Now open your favorite browser that you want. Open your favorite browser. Okay, so there is it. Then over here, just type localhost, then space. The folder name is my story flow. So based on what you name your project folder, so this is where you type it here. Then space index.php, then enter. So as you can see, hello world, which is coming from our index.php file. So meaning our logic is working fine.